Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best RV water pumps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best RV water pumps that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Camplux 12 volts water pump. The Camplux 12 volts water pump is a portable and powerful water pump that can supply water to multiple outlets at once. It is suitable for camping, RVing, boating, and other outdoor activities. It employs a diaphragm pump that can handle water pressure fluctuations and deliver consistent water flow. It has a pressure switch that turns on or off the pump when the faucet is opened or closed. It has a check valve that prevents backflow of water into the tank. It comes with an alligator clip lead, a cigarette socket lead, an outlet garden hose, and a suction hose with filter for easy installation and use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lippert Components 12 volts Flow Max water pump. The Lippert water pump is designed specifically to function flawlessly in RV environments. And one of the most important pieces of evidence is its CSA accreditation. Let's start with the quality that sets this motor apart from the rest of the pack: its durability. This motor pump performed well over 5 2-hour cycles during the testing process. Any RV water pump would have a difficult time passing this test. Thankfully, the Lippert is one of the tough pumps that can handle this load with ease. The Lippert component is a strong, self-priming water pump that can pump 3 gallons of water per minute. These outcomes are supported by the pump's powerful 50 psi capacity. You'll undoubtedly notice a greater water flow than with your former companion. Its outside body is also gradually constructed. High-grade steel ensures that the local environment won't have an impact on the pump's health. The body is also entirely rust-proof. Additionally, the pump has a screen filter to offer the highest level of safety. By using this filter, you can ensure that no dust or debris enters the motor and harms it. Despite having such a high PSI, there won't be much noise when you use it. Thanks to the Lippert motor's clever design, which offers noiseless operation. At number 3, we have the Flojet 03526-144A automatic water system pump. Its outside body is solidly constructed and includes anti-corrosion features as well. You'll notice that the pump still looks the same on the outside even after a long time has passed. In addition, this pump has a pulsation eliminator for longer longevity. The Flojet 03526-144A is a triplex diaphragm self-priming pump, which refers to its power. 9 feet of suction lift, which is sufficient power for living in an RV, may be simply provided. As soon as you turn on the tap, you'll notice a good flow of water. The soft sound-absorbing mounts on this Flojet pump are an added bonus. Thanks to this simple but useful improvement, the engine won't make loud noises when operating. With this, you won't have to put up with the grating motor noises each time a pump is opened. Finally, the operating triplex diaphragm style maintains the pump resistant to dry run. It implies that the pump will continue to function normally even if you unintentionally operate it without water. However, make every effort to stay away from these circumstances. At number 2, we have the USA Adventure ProGear 3200 water pump. If you're digging the affordability of our budget pick but don't mind spending a few extra bucks for some extra peace of mind, the ProGear 3200 from USA Adventure is a smart buy that delivers a ton of value for the money. Virtually everything about the ProGear 3200 is an upgrade over the SureFlow 4008 and 2088 pumps, which makes sense because USA Adventure designed it as a direct replacement for both. This includes a slightly increased flow rate of 3.3 GPM, a refined and quieter 3-chamber diaphragm design, and a greatly improved 4-year consumer warranty. You're still getting automatic pressure shut-off to protect your RV's plumbing, as well as protection from run-dry damage and an automatic thermal shut-off. USA Adventure Gear also claims that the ProGear 3200's internal bypass system eliminates rapid cycling during low-flow applications, which translates to less annoying racket for the life of the pump. With that being said, while the ProGear 3200 is a clear improvement over most OEM RV water pumps, it's still a budget-focused pump. That means it's a bit louder than some of the premium options on our list, as well as a bit less powerful, although again, 3.3 GPM will be more than enough power for most small to mid-sized RVs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bayite 12 volts DC fresh water pump. Are you looking for a low-cost RV water pump that gets the job done? Then the 12 volts DC fresh water pump from Bayite is well worth considering. Coming in at a fraction of the cost of other units, this budget-friendly pump is reliable enough for most RVers and offers superb value for money. But it does come with one huge catch: limited pumping power. Limping out a meager 1.2 gallons per minute, the device won't produce a steady enough stream to enjoy a shower, at least not a decent one, anyway. But if you're in a small RV or camper van that doesn't have a shower installed, it's an excellent budget-friendly option to use on the sink. 1.2 GPM is fine for washing the dishes. The unit has been designed to stand the test of time, not least for the heavy-duty seals that help keep moisture and dust at bay. Electro-coating on the seals prevents corrosion, and their soft rubber material minimizes vibration to reduce ambient noise. All in all, it's an excellent option to consider if you're looking to snag a bargain and don't have a shower in your rig.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.